Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Ma'am, now we doing comprehension the shoemaker and the Elvis.
Okay, what we were doing in English comprehension yesterday, did we complete the owl and the pussycat?
Yes, ma'am, we have done.
We have completed it.
Yes, ma'am. Now and ma'am, now we are doing the shoemaker and the elves.
Okay. Who is going to send me the shoemaker and the eggs?
Ma'am, I'm just sending.
Should I send?
Okay, Shirish, you are sending beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think this story is long.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
it
are
is
doing next
about
chapter of English comprehension.
ma'am, this
Yes, beta,
story
this is your English comprehension period.
ma'am, this story is on the 2.5 page.
Oh, such a long story.
No, ma'am, 3.5. Ma'am, the story covers 3 pages. Almost 3.
Okay, it is the shoemaker and the elves. What is the meaning of elves, children?
Ma'am, small.
Yes, very small, very
Small people.
miniature. It is something related to miniature, but we have to find the exact meaning of the word.
Ma'am, we find in dictionary.
I'll send you.
Okay,
Next one, me.
the word is, otherwise the word is elf. E-L-F. Elves is the plural of elf. Okay. Now, what does elf mean? Elf is the supernatural creature of folk tales. Or what are folk tales? The stories. So these are considered to be the supernatural creatures that used to be in the stories. Okay. Now we are going to read this story about the
And ma'am, what
shoemaker.
is supernatural?
Supernatural is like beta, the creatures that have extra powers. They can do anything. People with supernatural
ma'am.
powers. Okay.
Ma'am, please tell me on which page you are.
Beta, the page number is, what is the page number?
739.
69. It is 69 page number.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
so who will be the first?
Huh?
Ma'am, who will read the first?
Yes, yes, beta. I'm telling you, just wait. First, what is given? Choose the option that best explains the word. Behold. What is behold? Just find out the meaning first. In the dictionaries, find out the meanings and then we are going to move forward.
And what is behold?
You have to find out. What?
Ma'am, what word we find out in dictionary?
Better find out the meaning of behold. Just see na, read the question. Look on page number 69. There are 5 questions given. So you have to see the meaning and you have to tell which word goes the best with it. What is the meaning of behold? To hold something, to see something, or to write? You have to work a little.
Ma'am, to hold something. Ma'am, I
Very
am
good,
find the
very nice.
word behold. Ma'am, I am find behold.
That Avni has already told, it is to see something. Okay, what is overjoyed? What is overjoyed? See the meaning and tell.
Ma'am, behold to not. Ma'am, what is the word?
I'm very happy.
Yes. Overjoyed means extremely happy or very happy. Overjoyed.
Ma'am, not see, ma'am, it is hold.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is not see of behold, it is hold.
No. Which word, beta? Behold.
Yes, ma'am.
It means to hold something.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, no. Behold means to see or observe something or someone. Behold is not to hold something. Behold is to see and observe someone. Okay? You said it correct, but now
I
you're saying it
find
wrong.
the belief.
What, Anmol?
Ma'am, I find the belief. Belief is trust.
Belief is, yes, believe is to trust someone. Very good. Then thrilled. What is thrilled? What is thrilled? Tell me. Find it out. I was thrilled to see my friend at my place. No one could find the meaning of thrilled.
Ma'am, excited.
Ma'am, to be
Yes.
excited for something.
Very good. To be excited. And the last word is celebrate. So, celebrate.
Ma'am, rejoice.
Very nice. Celebrate is to rejoice. It is to rejoice. Okay. Now, let's come on to the story.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, let me start reading.
Gopi, the shoemaker, made beautiful shoes and had plenty of customers. His stitches were very neat and the shoes were so well cut that everyone in the village bought shoes from him. It was sad that Gopi's shoes were the best one could buy. Then a big shoe shop selling ready-made shoes opened in the village. Now, no.
Okay, beta, that's all. That's all. Now, who will read? Next person. Everyone has understood the story till here.
Ma'am, I Pratya.
Yes, ma'am.
Gopi was a shoemaker with a shoe shop where he used to make very nice shoes, very neat shoes. And that was the only shop where everyone went to buy shoes. What?
What is stitches?
Ma'am, can I
Stitches
read?
means सिलाई बेटा. Stitches होते हैं shoes में सिलाई होती है ना. So that those are stitches. Then a big shoe shop selling ready-made shoes opened in the village. Now no one came to Gopi's little shop anymore. Then what happened? Yes, Pratyaksh, read.
Ma'am, can I read?
I'm telling Pratyaksh, why is he not reading? He's not there. Okay, Yuvraj, you read.
Now no one came to Gopi's little shop anymore. They went to the big modern shoe shop. Even the poor people of village saved their money to buy shoes from the new shoe shop. Gopi soon became very poor. Gopi was down to his last piece of leather and very careful. He cut out a pair of shoes. There was no leather left for a second pair. He thought to himself, tomorrow I shall stitch these shoes. I hope we will be able to sell them. Otherwise, we will have no money for food. Gopi and his wife looked at the leather shapes and went to bed hungry.
Okay, that's all. That's all. Now, understood, beta? Everyone has understood this paragraph also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, next, Anmol, read.
Gopis and his wife looked at the leather shapes and went to bed hungry. The next morning, when Gopi went into his workroom, what do you think he saw? There on his workbench lay a beautifully stitched pair of shoes, polished and perfect. They gleamed as a ray of sunlight
Gleamed.
fell
Underline the
on
word gleamed, everyone.
gleamed as a ray of sunlight fell on them. Overjoyed Gopi put the shoe into his shop window. A man walking towards the new shoe shop suddenly noticed the shoe at Gopi's window. He walked in and bought the shoe for a good price. Gopi and his wife just could not believe their good fortune. They bought some food and enough leather for 2 pairs of shoes. Gopi cut out the leather and
Okay,
left
okay,
the
Anmol, that's
shoe.
all, beta, that's all. Next. Who will read now next? Beta, you have not sent me, Shirsh, the next page. After page number 70, you have directly sent 72. I have not got page number 71.
Ma'am, please wait.
Yes. Next, who will read? Harsh, you will read. Harsh has not got the chance today. Harsh is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Gopi was down to his last piece of leather. Very carefully, he cut out a pair of shoes. There was no leather left for a second pair. He thought
Ma'am, I have
to
sent.
himself, tomorrow I shall stitch these shoes. I hope we will be able to sell them. Otherwise, I will have no money for food. Gopi and his wife looked at the little shapes and went to bed hungry.
Read this
Ma'am,
paragraph.
ma'am, he is
Can
reading
I
the
have
next
read?
paragraph that Anmol has read it.
Yes,
Beta, I
ma'am.
don't know. I myself did not have the page. I don't know where to read.
Ma'am, it's the previous page. Ma'am, 70 page number he's reading.
Harsh,
And
that
ma'am, I
means
have
you are
sent you the
not
next
paying
page.
attention, huh?
Ma'am, please see. Have you got this
Yes, Beta, I
71?
have got. I have got. Who knows where to read from? Who knows it?
Ma'am.
I know.
Shirsh,
Ma'am, I
read.
know.
They bought some food and enough leather for 2 pairs of shoes. Gopi cut out the leather and left the shapes on his workbench. Lo behold, the next morning, 2 pairs of well-made shoes lay on the workbench, ready for sale. Day after day, this kept happening. Gopi would cut out more and more pairs of shoes, and each morning the workbench had smart and shiny shoes on it. Gopi and his wife were thrilled. One day, Gopi's wife said, "My dear, we really must find out who is helping." "Yes," Gopi said. "I must have tried to find out earlier. I have been so busy making money that I haven't tried to thank the person who makes shoes for us each night."
Okay, that's all.
That
That's
night,
all. That's all. Now who will read? Athar. Athar, read.
That night, Gopi and his wife hid behind the door and waited. At midnight, the window opened and two tiny men the size of Gopi's hand appeared. They fixed and nail color and polish all night long. At the crack of dawn, their work completed. They scraped off.
They scampered off. Underline the word scampered off. And underline the word dawn also. D-A-W-N. At the crack of dawn. Okay. What wonderful little elves they are, exclaimed
Ma'am, what
Gopi's
is
wife. Yes,
ma'am, what is the first word?
the first word is scampered off. Scampered off, and the other
dawn.
one is dawn. Okay,
And ma'am, gleamed.
gleamed. Okay, then who will read? Who will read? Okay, Stuti, read.
What wonderful little lives they are, exclaimed Gopi's wife. How can we thank them? Asked Gopi. If we step out and try to talk to them, they might get frightened and run away. I know, said his wife. I noticed they have very town
I
and
noticed they had very torn and ragged clothes on. Underline the word ragged.
Ma'am,
let's get them some new clothes. The very next day, they went to the market and bought some fabric and some leather. Gopi's wife suggested some tiny uh, garments, and Gopis made some soft shoes. That night, instead of leather for shoes, the lives found clothes and shoes.
Elves. It is elves.
Found clothes and shoes for themselves. A- As Gopi and his wife washed the elves donned their new clothes. They then danced and sang, rejoiced and clapped their hands. Then off they went singing happily. The elves didn't return again, but Gopi and his wife never went to bed hungry after then.
Okay, now underline the word donned also here. D-O-N-N-E-D. Donned. The elves donned their new clothes. Now, I think you have underlined 5 words in all, children. Starting with gleamed. Find out the meaning of all these words. What was the first word?
Gleamed.
Next word. What was the next one?
Dawn.
Dawn. Then next word.
Scammed off.
scampered off.
Next word.
Ragged.
And next.
Ma'am, where is gleam?
P-O-N-N-E-D. Dawn. Okay. The word gleamed is beta.
Ma'am, in the fourth paragraph.
Fourth paragraph
Ma'am,
on
in the
page number. What is the page number?
Ma'am, 70 in the fourth line, first word.
Okay, ma'am, I have found it.
Good. Now everybody find out the meanings of these words and let me know.
Ma'am, we have to find the meaning of gleam.
Yes, what is the meaning of gleam? Have you found?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Shine.
Shine brightly with the reflect light.
Shine brightly. Let's write it.
With the reflect light.
Shine brightly. The meaning of dawn. Now look for the meaning of dawn.
Ma'am, I am finding the world dawn. I can tell.
Yes, beta, tell.
The first
The appearance of light in the morning, the beginning of something.
Yes, it is the beginning of the morning. Okay, when the sun just starts to rise. Yes, we call it the dawn of the day. Okay,
Okay,
just
ma'am.
the beginning of the day or the starting of the morning. Next. Scampered off.
Ma'am, we have to find the meaning of scamper.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
find
I
his camper. Run with the quick light steps.
steps.
Yes.
Run with quick light
Very good.
steps.
It means to run off or to hurry away. Yes. Scampered off. Let's write easy meaning run off. Okay. Next. Ragged. The meaning of ragged.
Ma'am, I have found the meaning of rag.
Tell beta.
Piece of old cloth.
Yes, pieces of old torn clothes. That is ragged. Then last word is left. That is donned.
Ma'am, what is spelling?
Donned.
Ma'am, I have found the meaning of dawn. Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, beta, tell.
I university teacher.
Huh?
A university teacher.
No, beta, no. That is dean. You must have found the meaning of dean. The word is donned. D-O-N-N-E-D.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, on an item of clothing.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
put on an item of clothing.
Yes. Donned means to wear something, to put on. Okay, so we have found the meaning of all the words. Now tell me, all of you have understood the story well? Everybody could understand the story?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, but I can't see the last word.
Which last word? It is to put on, to wear something.
Okay, ma'am.
Either you can write to put on / wear. Especially like to put on what? To put on some clothing. So this is what the elves did when the shoemaker's wife stitched clothes for the elves. So they donned those new clothes.
And ma'am, ma'am, I noticed that ma'am, someone hand was coming from the right side of the board also.
Someone's hand, yes, beta. My son is taking classes on the next chair.
Yes, ma'am, that's why I was thinking, how can your hand come from both the sides?
Okay. Now the story is clear to all of you. Tell me that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Now let's move on to the exercises. The interesting part, the best part. What is the first question? The story is about a lazy shoemaker or honest shoemaker.
Honest.
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 Gopi's shop lost its customers because there was a new shop or his shoes were expensive to buy.
Ma'am, there was a new shop.
Then there was a new shop.
Ma'am, there was a new shop.
In the
There was
town.
a new shop.
What did Gopi do with the last piece of leather? He cut out a
He
pair
cut
of
out pairs of shoes.
or he
Cut out
stitched a pair of shoes.
Ma'am, he cut out pair of shoes.
the
Good.
shoes.
He cut out pair of shoes. Find words in the story which mean the same as shown, very happy, good luck. Now this is very interesting. Let me see who does it first.
Ma'am, what we have
So,
to
ma'am,
do in
what we have to do?
Like shone. What is the meaning of shone? It is the past form of shine. So you have to find a word from the story that has similar meaning to it. Like for example, shone, I will tell you, it is gleamed, to shine brightly. The word gleamed is given in the story. Yes? So you
So, ma'am,
have
we will write shown like gleamed.
Ma'am, second one.
listen, everybody be quiet. Be good listeners first. Read the question again. See, find words in the story which mean the same as shown.
Ma'am,
The
I
word is
find the
gleam.
shown. Ma'am, I am find the shown.
Yes, what is it?
Past as past part of shine.
बेटा अब आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है, अब मैम को सुनो, ठीक है? आपको डिक्शनरी में से इसका मीनिंग नहीं ढूंढना है, आपको स्टोरी में से इस वर्ड से मिलता जुलता वर्ड ढूंढना है जो स्टोरी में यूज हुआ है, ठीक है? तो स्टोरी में शाइन जैसा कौन सा वर्ड यूज हुआ है? ग्लीम्ड यूज हुआ है ना, जो मैंने अंडरलाइन कराया था?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So with shown,
Yes, ma'am.
you are going to write in front of it gleamed. Gleamed is the word that has similar meaning to shown. Now find out the next word.
Ma'am, second one is overjoyed.
What, beta?
Ma'am, second one is overjoyed.
Very good. Very nice. Very happy means overjoyed. There's a word overjoyed in the story.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am. When he found the new shoes.
What is the third one? Good luck.
Ma'am, fortune.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
fortune.
Good. Now you have understood it.
Ma'am, rag means old cloth.
Yes, ragged means old clothes.
So, ma'am, in the fifth one, ma'am, can we write ragged as
No, no, no.
8 front
no.
of cloth?
No, 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 no. For clothes, you're not going to write rag. Let's look out for the word.
Ma'am, garments.
Yes, garments.
Ma'am, what is made merry?
What is?
Ma'am, what is made merry?
Made merry is to like be happy. So what is the word for that?
And ma'am, they have numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Ma'am, sixth
9.
one
Yes.
is don't.
They have eaten the number 8.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Okay, beta,
Ma'am,
just
six
wait.
one-
I think I have not sent the link of the next class. Please just wait for a minute. Let me confirm.
So, ma'am, made merry means to be very happy.
Yes. Oops. Oops.
Ma'am,
Yes.
So, ma'am, can we write rejoice?
Yes, you can write rejoice.
ma'am, sixth one is don't.
Sixth one is dawned. Okay, what is the sixth word?
Put on.
Put on.
Dawn. Very good. Very nice. Dawned.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of shabby?
Shabby is now we can use the word ragged here.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of shabby?
Otherwise, shabby means something very dirty, very filthy look, dirty, untidy.
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of shabby? Ma'am, I have done all.
Good. So this is all for today, children, because the class is about to get over. We'll continue this work. We have one more period. So we are going to complete it. Okay?
Ma'am, what is fourth and seventh